Boost inner beauty. 3 easy habits to adopt now for a more confident you in the realm of personal development. Cultivating inner beauty is paramount. It's not just about physical appearance but also about nurturing self-esteem, emotional well-being, and spiritual growth. Here are 3 easy habits to adopt today that can significantly boost your inner beauty. 1. Practice gratitude daily. Research shows that regular practice of gratitude increases positive emotions, reduces stress, and improves overall well-being. Seligman et al., 2005. Start each day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple act can help shift your focus from negativity to positivity, fostering a more beautiful inner self. 2. Embrace mindfulness. Mindfulness has been linked to improved mental health, reduced stress, and increased emotional intelligence. Holzel et al., 2011. Set aside 10 minutes each day for mindfulness meditation. Focus on your breath, let thoughts pass without judgment, and cultivate a deeper connection with yourself. 3. Prioritize self-care. Regular self-care activities like exercise, reading, or hobbies can reduce stress, improve mood, and boost self-esteem. Morris et al., 2015. Identify activities that bring you joy and make them a priority. Whether it's a morning jog, an evening yoga session, or a midweek book club meeting, prioritizing self-care is a powerful step towards inner beauty. Remember, inner beauty is not about perfection but about embracing who you are and continually striving to be the best version of yourself. By adopting these 3 habits, you're not only boosting your inner beauty but also setting the stage for a more fulfilling life.